The aspiration to achieve $100 million is more than a financial target. It embodies a journey toward independence and influence. This remarkable milestone can be attained through paths that, while unique to each individual, share common principles that guide success. Entrepreneurship stands as one of the most recognized routes to wealth accumulation. By establishing a business, individuals can harness their creativity, expertise, and understanding of market demands. Entrepreneurs keenly observe market gaps and capitalize on opportunities by developing products or services that meet specific needs. Through a blend of resilience, innovative thinking, and strategic execution, countless entrepreneurs have built thriving enterprises, propelling themselves into the realm of substantial revenue and often trillion-dollar valuations. Investment, on the other hand, presents a different pathway to fortune. Informed investors wisely allocate their funds into various avenues, such as stocks, real estate, or promising startups, reaping benefits as those assets appreciate in value. A well-diversified portfolio, coupled with a keen sense of market trends and an understanding of compound interest, can tremendously boost one's wealth. History shows that many affluent individuals have achieved their status by making calculated investments during tech booms or in real estate markets ripe for growth. In today's technology-driven world, innovation plays a pivotal role in establishing wealth. The rapid pace of technological advancements opens doors for creating groundbreaking ideas that capture public interest. Inventors and innovators often introduce revolutionary software, applications, and platforms that not only meet consumer demands, but also generate considerable revenue. With the tech industry teeming with opportunities, numerous individuals have crafted illustrious careers, resulting in immense financial success. Networking and collaboration further enhance the journey towards financial milestones. Establishing relationships and fostering collaborations often opens new avenues and accelerates the path to success. Effective networking allows individuals to exchange insights, resources, and expertise, while collaborative endeavors can amplify their presence in the marketplace, creating more impactful ventures. Lastly, the commitment to education and skill development cannot be understated. In an ever-evolving job landscape, staying abreast of advancements in industry trends equips individuals with the necessary tools to navigate challenges and seize lucrative opportunities. Investing in continuous learning, whether through formal courses or self-directed endeavors, serves as a vital component for sustained growth and success. In summary, reaching $100 million is a multifaceted objective that requires passion, strategy, and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. With dedication and thoughtful planning, the ambitions of many can become a reality, shaping a fulfilling and influential life.